This is a video tutorial guide on how to replace the charging cables on a PCS5 portable battery charging station. If the cables sustain damage and need to be replaced, or you prefer to have a customized cable layout, these are the steps that you'd have to follow to replace them. To begin, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the bottom plate. Once you do so, turn the station over and remove the housing shell. The next step would be to remove 2 screws that secure this bar. You would need an Allen hex wrench. I've already unfastened them, so you just remove the 2 screws located here and also here. It's important to take note that this is a lead acid battery. You ideally should be wearing gloves, or make sure to wash your hands after handling the battery. Next step is to remove the 2 leads. And then lift up the lead acid battery, set it aside. And then at this point you can replace the cable that you wish to change or repair. Once you have them replaced, go ahead and install the lead acid battery again. Replace the crossbar. Replace the screws for the crossbar. And then when you put the shell back on, it's important to make sure that it sits completely flush with the rest of the housing, and to ensure that it does sit flush, gently pull on the charging cables so they're no longer in the way, and ensure that there's no gap between the shell and the housing. And at this point you can replace the 4 Phillips screws. That's it.